Hey everyone, welcome to GrowingCraft, and what you saw at the starting is what we are really going to make. I really hope you all are doing good, and before we start this video, please do make sure that you subscribe to our channel. So now making coasters is something which I'm loving it. I absolutely love doing decoupage art, mixed media art on my coasters, and there are like so many options and ways in which you can play with your craft supplies, play with your decoupage art supplies, and create beautiful things. So here is one of my beautiful coaster which I did very recently. Now this is a rice paper from ITD collection. If you guys have not checked out this collection, what are you guys doing till now? Please go and check this out. They are like superly amazing. So when I was introduced to rice paper was through this brand, and till then there is no looking back. I'm absolutely in awe with the rice papers. I also love using my decoupage napkins, papers too. But this tutorial is all about using your rice paper in a different way. So when I started this tutorial, I was not very sure what I'm going to make, but I've sticked already my decoupage napkin meanwhile talking to you guys. So I've used my Mod Podge decoupage glue for sticking this one. Now you can see I have just randomly cut the rice paper, and I had to make a very fine smooth out the edges. So here I'm using my filer. You can even use your sandpapers, and trust me, this makes your project look super easy and beautiful. Now here I am using my rub-on stickers. A lot of you have been asking me. I've been using this on my scrapbooks, my decoupage art, and my card making. That what are these? These are rub-on stickers. I got them from dollar store. You guys can check it out at any of the local stores. You will get it. And these are like super amazing. Just rub on the areas whichever you want on your cards or base or your coasters or your nameplates or anything, and you will get an amazing result. So I really wanted to play around the gold color. So instead of just doing the typical metallic waxes, I thought of doing this, and ta-da! This is looking amazing. Now the next very important thing is to seal everything. So here again I'm using my varnish. Now this is a very thick varnish. If you want to know about my varnish, you can check out my links given in the description box. And yes, and if you are looking for more inspirations on your coasters, check out my other tutorials too. We are doing a series of coasters now, so you will see a lot of different techniques and ideas on how to use your basic supplies and do a lot of creative work. Now using my chalk paint for a little more color blending. I love color blending. Chalk paints are like amazing for your color blending technique. Adding a lot of water, like covering up the edges, and they look amazingly beautiful. So I've been asked a lot of times, shall we use acrylic paints? I personally do not recommend acrylic paints, but if you want, if you are a beginner, you can definitely do that. So once I'm done with this color blending technique, I'm going to try this up really well because that's really important. So whenever I try to use on my rub-on stickers, I first do all the dry up work and then the rub-on work and then the water work. Now here is my magical transfer sheets. If you guys are follower of my channel, you know what is transfer sheet. If you guys don't know, you guys have not watched out a lot of my videos. Please don't do that. Watch out all my craft tutorials, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So after struggling a little bit, I was able to pull off my transfer sheet backing, like sticking it really well to my base, adding a lot of water with my paint brush. And once I was happy with that, like how to know that you are done with your transfer sheet adding water, you can literally see the design which is there at the back. So here is a beautiful text which is there in this transfer sheet which I'm going to use. So once it is soaked properly, just remove it and seal it with varnish, and it is done. I really hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Create something for your own, for your gifting, and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye from GrowingCraft.